So thank you both. So just a couple of words. I would like to tell you about things I've heard that I found very positive, including Eddie's comment on the fact that Xi is better than changing an engine. And I think that there's an ambition and a dynamic that we find in discussions. It is very interesting, and that changes from the jaded discussions that we have on recurring themes, on decarbonation, reindustrializing in our Western world. The challenges are serious and complex, it was said several times, but what we need to bear in mind, and that's the point in the agenda we had today, which is that we have to completely change the way we think. Regarding the transition as it is discussed in Europe and in the West, I'm not even sure that it's well discussed here either. I don't think it's a good idea to copy that vision and the potential trajectory. And in particular, Africa, we've discussed it at length today. It's very interesting to tackle the topics of decolonization. It's very taboo. We've not solved that problem yet. Colonies, former colonies, and I think that it's a thorn in our side, and if we don't get rid of it, there will be consequences from one generation to the next. And we can see this on all topics. Yuba, I really enjoyed your definition of commitment in the Institute and how you described it. I'm very happy to remind you that the TTI.5 Institute is an initiative that we created at here in Paris 2 years ago because the IPCC was calling for action, and by saying that as scientists we are going to answer in our own way. We're going to shed light on our research so that the École Mines Paris can share all of the knowledge and all of the gems that it contains, and for it to be heard by the public debate and international debate. And I think that it's quite exceptional, and you might not realize how much so. But in this institution, which is quite old, quite conservative, we've organized today a day on this topic. And I think that it's really opened the minds of many people and the horizons of many people. So I am very happy and delighted because I've also heard many positive things on this topic. Thank you for your active participation. And we will invite you again next year towards the end of the month of May, and we will tackle a new topic which stands out. Thank you very much.